Hello, friends. Today we are starting with the novel that is the genre of your 12th standard lesson number 4. The name is Sign of Four. Very interesting story, and the story is written by the Sir Arthur Doyle. So in this story, the Sir Arthur Doyle, that is the author, is going to reveal how the detective Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson is solving the mystery of the hidden treasure as well as the murder. The story has a many character. There are the two places are there in which there is a place of the India is also taken, and even it is in London is taken. Now let us start the story. The story starts. This is just an I'm giving the summary of the storyline. Like the story starts with the detective Sherlock Holmes, and this is the character created by the author Doyle only. He has written the story based upon the Sherlock Holmes. आप लोग ने सुना भी होगा many stories on Sherlock Holmes. So in this story of the Sign of Four, is story all about the four friends. ये जो four friends हैं, they are taking away the treasury from Agra, and how this Agra treasure is being taken away, and how the mystery is being solved is being told in this story. Right? We'll start the story. इस story में starting में क्या है? There is a detective Sherlock Holmes और Dr. Watson. They are in the meeting. दोनों meeting कर रहे हैं. And that time one of the lady comes. Her name is Mary Mostyn. So Mary Mostyn has come, and she had two things to solve. First thing क्या था उसका कि 10 years ago her father is disappeared. Majority of the points I have written here so that you can understand the story very well. Now the story starts with the Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson, to whom the Mary Mostyn has come to meet. Now Mary Mostyn has come with the two queries. एक query है, her father had disappeared 10 years ago. And the second thing, she was receiving a large pearl in the mail till the 6 years. Now, after the 6 years, she has received the pearl along with that one letter is there. So, along with the large pearl, she had received a letter. Now, in the letter, I have written that they were being told that she had to come at the Lyceum Theatre along with the two friends. Letter में क्या लिखा था कि उसे कोई दो फ्रेंड्स के साथ लिसियम थिएटर विच इज वन ऑफ द प्लेस इन लंदन वहां पर आके मिलना है. नाउ दिस टू फ्रेंड्स शुड नॉट बी द पुलिस. इफ शी विल inform to police, then she will be the loser. Now the second thing, the hint was given in the letter that injustice is done to her. अभी कौन सा टाइप का injustice done to her वो मैरी मॉस्टन को पता नहीं था. But these two things were written that she had to come at the Lyceum Theatre with the two friends, and something injustice was done. Now, as per the letter, the three of them, that is Sherlock Holmes, Dr. Watson, and Mary Mostyn, they three of them they went at the Lyceum Theatre, where there were the pillars were kept, and near the pillar they were supposed to wait. Suddenly, one of the carriage comes and they were being whisked away. उनको लेके गए, वो carriage वाला लेके गया. Now the carriage stopped at one of the place, which was very outskirts of the village. Outskirts मतलब बहुत दूर था main area से. Now when the door was open, they saw the Thomas Sholto. Thomas Sholto is one of the character in the story, also playing the very major role in the story. Now Thomas Sholto has opened the door. Now Thomas Sholto has a brother. His name was Bartholomew. So Bartholomew was and the Thomas Sholto both were brother, and his father name was Major Sholto. Now, what the story goes ahead, that the Thomas Sholto says about the Mary Mostyn's father. What he says about the Mary Mostyn father, that Mary Mostyn father had a fear. Fear of what? A person with a wooden leg. So थॉमस शॉल्टो ने बताया कि भी मैरी मॉस्टन के जो फादर थे उनको डर लगता था, फियर था किसका? ऑफ द पर्सन विद अ वुडन लेग. Plus, he also revealed the secret कि देयर वाज अ ट्रेजर, कि आगरा ट्रेजर के बारे में भी उसे थोड़ा बताया. एंड देन ही सेड कि व्हेन माय फादर वाज ऑन अ डेथ बेड, दैट इज मेजर शॉल्टो, नाउ ही गिव अ स्वेयर. स्वेयर मतलब उसने मेजर शॉल्टो ने बताया अपने दोनों सन को. कौन से? दैट इज द थॉमस शॉल्टो एंड बार्थोलोमेव. दे told him that you take a swear to share a treasure with the Mary Marston. That is the unknown fortune what she has to share. Now, that is unknown fortune meaning what is the treasure, where is the treasure, that all thing Major Sholto couldn't say. उसने कुछ भी नहीं बता पाया. क्यों? कि when he was on his deathbed, suddenly he saw the bearded man near the window. He was standing over there and looking at the man. The Major Sholto got a fatal attack and he died without revealing where is the treasure. उसे वो बता ही नहीं पाया कि ट्रेजर कहाँ पर है. Now after his death, the one note was being found which was affixed to the body of the Major Sholto, and on that note it was written a sign of 4. That is only the lesson. Sign of 4. Now, what is the meaning of sign of 4? What it is, that all of the three were not knowing. Now the story goes ahead. Bartholomew has searched for many years, and then he found that there was a treasure in the family estate house. There was a family estate, and there was a treasure was hidden. And afterwards, Bartholomew could easily found that treasure. Now, all these 4, that is your Sherlock Holmes, Dr. Watson, and that Mary Marston, all the 4 went at the Bartholomew's house, as he has found a treasure in the family house. As soon as the door was being opened, he found that the housekeeper, he was shaking. And housekeeper ने बताया कि Bartholomew was inside the room for the whole day. पूरा दिन वो रूम के अंदर ही और बाहर नहीं निकला. Now, as usual, like how we are having the CID story, दया डोर तोड़ रहा है, वैसे यहाँ पर भी the Sherlock Holmes has broken the door, and the door was open, and they found Bartholomew to be the dead. Now, as the poison thorn was lodged in his neck, उसके neck में किसी ने poison जो thorn था वो मारा था, and he died. Now, as a detective Holmes, he started searching everything, and what he concluded, उसने search करके conclusion दिया that there were the 2 men of that. वहाँ पर 2 men आए थे, 2 person was there. Of that, one was wooden leg person, and the other was Maurice फॉलोअर, मतलब उसके साथ जो था वो उसके साथ ही रहता होगा, और काफी टाइम तक वो दोनों जन साथ में, दे मस्ट बी गोइंग समवेयर. सो देयर वाज अ 2 person, of that one was wooden leg. And not only this, that also the Sherlock Holmes said that 2 person had stolen the Agra treasure. तो आगरा ट्रेजर उन्होंने जो भी था वहां पर बार्थलोमेव के पास वो चोरी करके लेके गए. Now, obviously, all of the 3 were going to, that is your Sherlock Holmes and the Dr. Watson was going to find the treasure. But उसके पहले वो wooden leg का person है वो कैसे पता चला to the Sherlock Holmes. Now Sherlock Holmes found that the wooden leg person had a crochet. Now what is a crochet? That is a chemical we use to store the wooden leg या to wooden article. तो जब वो person वहाँ से रूम से गया होगा तो they must have found the some crochet on the floor. और वहाँ से वैटसन को पता चला, that is the Sherlock Holmes और वैटसन को पता चला कि वो था wooden leg person. Now all of these 2 have started searching for the criminals और उसके लिए they hired whom? Sniffer dog. The dog has taken to the place called Thames River, which is in London. The dog has carried both of them to the Thames River. Now obviously river है तो वहाँ पर boat तो होगा ही. So this person, that is a Dr. Watson and Sherlock Holmes hired the irregulars मतलब the one who give you खपरी जैसे होते हैं, plus the urchins, the one who search for the boat in the river, उनको उन्होंने hire किया to find out where is the boat, but they couldn't find the boat, and the boat name was Aurora. It was an Aurora boat. Now the Sherlock Holmes had decided to get disguised. Disguised मतलब उसने वेश बदल के they thought of searching for the criminal. So the Sherlock Holmes, Dr. Watson and other police officer went pursuing the Aurora boat in the police barge. Police barge में वो गए Aurora boat को follow करने के लिए. Now when they were following, they found the Aurora boat and they overtake the Aurora boat. So what happened in that, there was along with the wooden leg person, I told you there was another person, और वो person का नाम था Tonga. So Tonga was the one who tried to kill this one Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson with a blowpipe करके जो पाइप रहते हैं वहाँ से आपने कुछ poisonous dart या ऐसा कुछ डाला तो that killed the person. So Tonga tried to kill both of them with a blowpipe. But हुआ क्या? These two तो saved. But in fact उसके कारण Sherlock Holmes killed Tonga. मतलब Tonga also died. Now who is left in the Aurora boat was a wooden leg person. So the wooden leg person, he was captured as the Aurora boat got drawn into the river. River में डूब गया और वो they captured the that wooden leg person. Now the wooden leg person, his name was Jonathan Small. So now this Jonathan Small is revealing the story of Agra Fort. He has a mystery of the pearl, what the Mary Marston was getting. So entire story is now going to reveal with the Jonathan Small. So what is the mystery of the story and what the Jonathan Small is telling about the Agra treasure, about the death of the Mary Marston's father? That we'll see in the next hour. This episode will come. So in that, please make sure that you are being in touch with our channel, so you will get the notification. You please subscribe so that I can come with a part 2 story of the mystery of the sign of